Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Windows updates so Nightlight has the latest bug fixes. Open Settings, pick System, then Display. Once there, find the Nightlight toggle and switch it on so you can test changes in real time. Make sure your display drivers are not flagged in Device Manager. Update them if prompted, because driver conflicts often prevent Nightlight from activating. Now that Nightlight is on, we move into scheduling and color calibration to fix timing and tint issues. Once in Nightlight settings, choose sunset to sunrise to use location-based timing or set custom hours if you prefer strict control. Adjust the strength slider to a comfortable tint. Lower values reduce blue light without making the screen too orange. Make sure location services are enabled for sunset timing to work. If colors still look incorrect, run Windows built-in color calibration. This fixes gamma and white point problems that Nightlight alone cannot address. After calibration, test in multiple apps. To finalize, quit any third-party color utilities like Lux, and Monitor vendor software because they often override Nightlight. Once disabled, toggle Nightlight again. If problems persist, update or roll back your GPU driver. Use Display Driver Uninstaller only as a last resort and follow manufacturer instructions. If Nightlight is missing or won't enable, run sfc/scano to repair system files and verify group policy or registry keys controlling display settings. One quick troubleshooting tip is to reboot after each change to confirm the effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.